Welcome to the Nevis Newscast for Tuesday, June 28th, 2022. I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. 5 representatives of the Ministry of Health in Nevis last week received further training in HIV and syphilis rapid testing. The 3-day workshop, which was held in St. Kitts from June 21st to 23rd, consisted of practical sessions to complement the virtual theoretical sessions that were done in April of this year. The training was facilitated by the Caribbean Med Labs Foundation, based in Trinidad and Tobago, in conjunction with the Ministries of Health in St. Kitts and Nevis and the National AIDS Program. The training was conducted by Master Rapid Testing trainers Andrea Williams and Lucine Pemberton Vaughan of the Ministry of Health in St. Kitts. Among the 10 participants who benefited from the Trainer of a Trainers workshop were Nurses Avril Walters and Dahlia Simmons, Medical Officer of Health Dr. Judy Nisbet, as well as Nadine Carty-Keynes and Teresia Herbert of the Health Promotion Unit in Nevis. According to the Health Promotion Unit, the participants received the technical knowledge, tools and skills to perform HIV and syphilis rapid testing safely and reliably. Meantime, on Tuesday, 22nd and Thursday, 24th June, senior health managers, supervisors, and clinical staff of the Ministry of Health attended the first in a series of workshops tackling the issue of HIV/AIDS stigma and discrimination in the workplace. The workshop was facilitated by Eldina Farrell, HIV Education and Prevention Officer at the Health Promotion Unit, along with Bernadette Jeffers, former nurse manager at the Alexandra Hospital. The workshop is a joint initiative of the Ministries of Health in St. Kitts and Nevis and the National AIDS Program. It is funded by the Global Fund through the OACS HIV and Tuberculosis Elimination Program. The workshops are expected to run throughout the course of this year, incorporating public sector workers and service providers throughout the Federation. Similar workshops were held in St. Kitts. 2 elderly residents of Gingerland are on the receiving end of a kind gesture, which was made by the Rotary Club of Liamuiga on Saturday, June 25th. The club's president, along with a contingent of members, made the presentation to Mrs. Violet Movin Williams of Hickmans.
I am here, President Claudel Gums, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Liamuiga, and we are here with members of the club and also the Rotaractors from Nevis, delivering a chair to Miss Violet to assist with her mobility in light of her circumstance, and we are proud to be able to make this donation and to be able to give back to our communities through our charitable work.
Thanks to God and to man for this chair. It will be a great blessing to me that I will be able to move around a little bit better. Thank you all. May God bless you all.
A similar presentation was made to Miss Ingrid Brown, also of the Hickmans community.
We're here donating a chair to Ingrid to assist with her mobility, and we are very happy. It is indeed a pleasure for us to be able to do these outreach activities in our communities. This is the 5th wheelchair that we have donated so far, 3 in St. Kitts and 2 in Nevis, and it is indeed a great privilege for us to be able to assist those who are in need in our communities.
Thank you.
Attending the handing over ceremonies on behalf of the Honorable Hazel Brandy Williams was Joyce Movin.
I'm here representing Honorable Hazel Brandy Williams, who unfortunately couldn't be here today, but was instrumental in procuring this chair for Ingrid from or through the Rotary Club of Liamuiga and the Nevis Rotary Club, who are represented here today to make this presentation. And again, I want to express gratitude to the club and the society and the members for their community outreach and for touching the lives of the vulnerable persons in our communities. I am certain that the chairs distributed today would enhance the livelihoods of the recipients and will go a long way in assisting them with their mobility. So again, I want to express gratitude to the club, Rotary Club of Liamuiga, and the Rotary Club of Nevis, and ask them to continue to persevere and, just to do good for the good of all.
According to its Facebook page, the Rotary Club of Liamuiga continues to lend an empowering hand to the community with a dedication to service, particularly of youth and the elderly. Premier of Nevis, the Honourable Mark Brantley, will hold his next monthly press conference on Thursday, June 30th. The press conference will be held at the Cabinet Room on the second floor of the Social Security Building at Pinnes Estate. Premier Brantley will provide an update on matters pertaining to Nevis, and members of the press will have the opportunity to ask questions. The press conference will be broadcast live from 10 a.m. on Nevis Television, NTV Channel 99, NevisTVOnline.com, NTV Go app, Nevis Television Facebook page, and Nevis Newscast YouTube channel. Still to come, Government of Mexico announces scholarships for OACS nationals. The details after this break.
Culturama 48.
We outside again, we jamming again. Run tell your friend it's Culturama again. We outside again,
We betting again.
run tell your friend it's Culturama again. Vent and celebrate, vent and celebrate. Culturama 48, vent and celebrate, vent and celebrate. Culturama 48.
Welcome back, the greatest summer life. Guaranteed you'll have the greatest time. Making memories, happy to be alive. Celebration in the island sun.
Vent and celebrate, vent and celebrate. Culturama 48.
Bet and celebrate, bet and celebrate.
Culturama 48.
Welcome back. The Embassy of the United Mexican States to the Eastern Caribbean states informs that the Call 2022 of the Mexican Government Scholarships of Excellence for International Students has been published and is open until July 24th, 2022. The Government of Mexico, through the Mexican Agency for International Development Cooperation, will award more than 300 scholarships, which will be distributed among participating countries, including St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It should be noted that all applications must be made electronically no later than July 24th, 2022. The scholarships are offered particularly in the areas of knowledge expressly indicated in the call, which include PhD, master, and specialization degrees, bachelor or engineering internships in diverse areas such as sciences, law, education, sports, architecture, food, computing, software, nanotechnology, electronics, politics, economy, tourism, business development, health, nursing, medicine, nutrition, among many others, along the Mexican territory. More information can be found on the Government of Mexico's website, www.gov.mx. The results will be announced from August 15, 2022. Online applications that do not meet the requirements established on the call will not be considered in the selection process. The following is a notice from the Nevis Water Department regarding an interruption in the water service. The Nevis Water Department advises the general public of an interruption in the water service between the hours of 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. on Wednesday, June 29th in the St. John's Parish. The areas which will be affected during this time are Pond Hill, Cox, Meads Pasture, Maynard Ground, Maynard Hill, Clegot, Cole Hill, Lamper Hill, Montpelier, Brown Pasture, Burden Pasture, Braziers, Upper Hamilton Housing Developments, Upper Church Ground, and areas in close proximity. The Nevis Water Department apologizes for any inconvenience this interruption may cause. And that's it for this edition of the Nevis Newscast. On behalf of all of us here at the Department of Information, I am Bronte Swanston Hendrickson. Thank you for viewing.